I'm gonna record while walking up a hill because why not? Today is day 6 and I took a 0 yesterday, much needed. Knees were a little sore and I am walking 10 miles today, walking out of Viana de Castelo now and walking to Via Praia de Ancora, I believe. Ancora is the town name where I will be staying at the guest house Prairie tonight. Whew. Nothing like a good warm-up to start up the day. And we're only a few days from crossing over into Spain. What's been really nice coming out of here is there's a couple really busy streets that you have to cross. But you get to go under them, which is much nicer than playing Frogger. That car. It's just one of those mornings where I'm like all giggly inside. And I'm like, I can't believe that I'm really walking the Camino Portuguese and walking in Europe. Wow. MMX 111 Moinho do Fada. Beautiful right here though. Living the dream. It's a beautiful little one. They're so pretty. Their color is amazing. Way out there in the sea, there's windmills. I don't know if there's I don't know what they're standing on. I don't know if they're a small island or what, but it just doesn't look like there's anything around it. So weird. It's not often that I'm taller than the cars. It's kind of cool. Let's walk past, it's like walking past a bunch of Matchbox cars. What an absolutely stunning, you can see the sea all back in there, which is where I was walking in the beginning, but what an amazing display of art right here. Absolutely beautiful. And I mean the view. There's the cathedral in Porto on the left, and then the cathedral in Santiago on the right. How cool is that? I have never seen cemeteries like I've seen here in Portugal. They're seriously works of art. This is why I travel by foot. I would never see this if I didn't travel by foot. I'm walking by a school. You can hear all the little kids. How beautiful this is. Wow. This is crazy. Yeah, beautiful. I mean, I wish there was a year of how long this structure has been here. It's forever. This door. And these like walls. This isn't your typical tourist pass through where you have all your information signs. Just stunning. You just come out of the woods and this is greeting you. It's so beautiful. There's some cute little waterfalls today. I kind of feel like I'm in the woods today some. It's been nice. I missed the coast, but this is not bad. I think this is some kind of like event space behind me. It says private, no trespassing. And then there's like a garden area over there and like a gelati. Wow, can you imagine like getting married? Sorry. Can you imagine getting married somewhere like in here? Wow. This would be absolutely, like, look at that. And then you have I really do feel like I'm on the AT a little bit here. Look how beautiful that is. And even in the house, the water's running. You can see. I'm going to turn you around so you can see a little bit of it forward. Here's the forward view of all of that. And it's all like walled off, so I really can't get any really good shots. It's absolutely beautiful. And then we're gonna go that way. I really wasn't prepared for this booty workout today after my lovely strolls along the boardwalk. This is a good way to visit wine country, right? Follow the other way. So I've come from way down there right after my break, which was a good choice to take, straight up. You got these old stone walls. I'm walking along right here, but the way these stones are placed, looks like it was rode at some point. Oh, yeah, there's tire marks. Some type of ATV vehicle or something still coming up here. But it's insane. And it's been a lot of mountain climbing today after switching over to the coastal route. I'm not on the coast. It's a little deceiving, the coastal route. Does hit the coast, but it also comes inland enough that you're climbing mountains. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful today. But I'm glad I had hiked 4,000 and 5,000 footers, because this is nothing compared to those. I probably would have been a little crying in my soup later about getting up over these climbs today and back down the other side. I I've seen so much of this where they actually like build the house around where the rock is instead of like trying to shave the rock down. It's like, we want to put a house here. There's a rock in the way. We're going to build around the rock. That's how we do. This cross, it has a 1779. I'm nearing the end of my day 6 as far as the walking goes, and a little over 10 miles today. It's probably going to be about 10.5 because my guest house is a little bit north of city center. And I think about 10 miles is my sweet spot. Today was a rough day, up and over the mountains a couple different times, or what we would call on the Appalachian Trail PUDs, pointless ups and downs, but sometimes it's the only way to get to the other side that makes sense. But I'm definitely feeling it today. And so every day that I come out here and walk is just very different, and it is super magical. Super magical. We live on a beautiful planet and exist in a beautiful world, and don't be afraid to go out and enjoy it. Put those fears aside and go do something different, or something you've always wanted to do. But yes, this has been amazing. There's I can definitely see why people do these on a regular basis. Pick a Camino every year or every 6 months and walk them. All right, let me wrap up these last 20 minutes and get to my stay for the evening. The lemons on the trees here are huge. They're huge. They're bigger than some of the oranges we have in Florida. This is my home street for the night. Here's where I'm staying. Oh, it's like the best feeling ever. Here's the inside of the guest house per area. Love the common area. There's extra blankets. There's a bathroom right there. Another one here. Shower right here. Full kitchen. $5 for that steak. It's gonna be dinner and breakfast. She does have private rooms here. Laundry. Bunks. That one's mine for the night. Locked cabinets if you need it. Yeah, there's laundry upstairs, or you can self-wash out here. I'll show you out here in a minute. This is the view from the back porch.